Today's video is gonna be a friend glam, get glam with us type of style, as you can see. So stay tuned.
Y'all, I'm gonna have to freestyle it because I ain't gonna lie. The only thing got me right now is some earrings. Hold on while I grab them. These right here is gonna give it a do, baby. We gonna see.
So let me tell you guys, while editing, we experienced some technical difficulties. So here in between the videos, you will see some voiceovers explaining things. We're doing a New Year's Eve glam. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and feel free to check out the rest of my channel. I post all kinds of beauty and lifestyle videos and also hair. And if not, welcome back and stay tuned for the rest of the video. So here we're both using our respective bases for our eyes. I'm using P. Louise and she's using concealer.
What kind of concealer? Oh,
LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn.
and I'm gonna use my
P. Louise base
in Rumor 2. I just put a little bit on my hand right there. You don't even need a lot. So we're both gonna just do that.
Sometimes I'll just put on a brush. I'm actually just putting it on the brush right now and just patting it on.
So New Year's Eve coming up.
And potential plans, but your sis ain't got none. And I'm not paying.
So I'm starting off with my Anastasia Beverly Hills and Jackie Aina palette. I'm so excited to be using this on my channel.
So pretty.
So I'm gonna take this brown color,
as well as the other orange brown right here and the dark brown up there. So here Yanni is using her Sephora highlight and blush palette to start off her eye look.
Whatever color I'm going to be doing. I'm still kind of thinking about what color I want to do. I'm thinking like a pink or purple look, but we'll see. I don't know if you guys can really see, but this side looks a lot more concealed, and this side you can kind of see my face or my eyelid getting back its color. So yeah. Look it up a little more.
Why is this darker than? I'm using this brush that's like a packing side, so I'm just like tapping it and building up the color before I blend it out.
Y'all don't get me started on brushes. I'm the worst motherfucker when it comes to brushes. I just be grabbing.
This is the brush that came with my palette. Thanks, Kristen.
I cannot with you. I'm using an Echo Tools brush. I don't necessarily know the name, but the same brush that I used to pack the concealer on is what I'm doing to pack the shadow.
After I packed on that brown, I went in with a orange color to blend out and then a tan.
And then I went ahead and went back in with my Fawn NYX Pro Concealer, and I put it on top of my... Added it down, the concealer. Try not to go above my crease or staying within my crease. And then I'm going to decide what color I'm using because this is still confused about what color.
Okay, I'm gonna use a different fluffy brush. Oh, this is a... Duh.
This ABH brush is good for blending.
And we're back. But, as you can see, I'm not quite done with this eye.
Oh, so you're doing one eye at a time.
I kind of want to see how this is going to come out, and then maybe when we come back, I can actually show them me blending this eye out because I don't think they really got to see this one. So right now, I'm applying my Great Last Maybelline Clear Transparent Mascara. I'm not putting my lashes on yet, but for me, I prefer to use a clear mascara first because to me, it just kind of like gives the lash like a quick like, and then you can put on one coat of black mascara and then apply your lash. I feel like sometimes when you put on the black one, it gets really thick trying to put your lash on top of it, and then I don't know about y'all, but it get a little messy. I'm really trying to do a thing with this beat.
That makes sense. I gotta get a Maybelline.
Yes, this is Maybelline. Not too expensive. Definitely can be found at your drugstore.
Okay.
And now, because I'm doing this pink eye, I brought me some glitter, so I'm about to actually add some glitter.
So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start cutting my crease while she does that. I'm taking my Louise base a little bit, and I'm gonna make maybe a half cut crease.
Here, Yanni is taking her NYX glitter primer to add as a base before she places the glitter on each eye.
So I'm cutting my crease. I don't know how this looks right now to y'all.
It look good, girl.
Okay.
I went ahead and completed this eye. So again, so I'm just gonna squeeze a little on my hand. Not even a pea size. And I'm taking my Morphe MB16 brush and I'm just gonna lightly apply it to my lid. Now again, with brushes, I grab what I feel will be most comfortable for me and what will help the product.
That's so cute.
Thanks, now, girl. One thing I hate about closing my eyelid is I feel like this left lid especially is mad wrinkly compared to my right lid. I'm so serious.
If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel below, don't forget to click subscribe and check out the rest of my videos, as well as add me on all of my social media platforms.
But you think I'm not gonna like give you no snacks?
Oh my gosh, no, I don't think you're not gonna like give me no snacks. I just didn't think I was gonna get a special donut.
Let me show. I gotta show you my snack.
Intamin's pound cake, bro. But Intamin's like they are the truth. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is the base. It's kind of like in my crease. I'm using this little brush. It's a lot fluffy.
I don't know if this looks even.
If anything, I will come over a little more.
I'm gonna fill it in with eyeshadow.
Okay. But it's even.
All right.
So Yanni's using the pink from the Zulu palette from Juvias Place. Yes.
The pink right here.
So these, I don't know if y'all could see these, but these are 3 glitters that I'm trying to decide between from the palette. This palette here. Zam and Solil. Let's see. Zam is a little dark. This one.
I like either of these.
This one looks green though.
So here I'm showing you the ABH and Jackie Aina collaboration palette, and I'm going back into it and taking the color Solil and then Zam and using my finger to apply it to my eyelids on top of the primer.
So as you can see, this eye is popping a lot more because it has this glitter. This one is looking a little dark. And I'm gonna have to go back in with the glitter primer. I needed some shit with some bop in it.
I feel like that's a good song to look at video wise, but like I can't get lit with it like just on.
No.
Now we are going in to line our eyes. We both have the e.l.f. Jet Black liquid liner for $2.
But yeah, when she was telling me how to do it, like I went and bought this because it's the product that she used. So here I am, putting it into practice.
I just don't feel like I need to get all this expensive stuff when this works perfectly fine.
You right, girl.
Here I'm taking Yanni's NYX glitter primer and packing it on top of my eyeshadow before applying glitter. I mixed chunky and light glitters together.
I'm gonna just tap the same brush here and put it on my eye.
And she saved the liner on the side because sis was struggling. But I will say this one came out really good. And thank you for saving my left eye. My left eye is always giving me trouble, y'all.
It's okay. I do the same thing. When one be uneven.
Oh, that is pretty.
Thank you. I think it's too much.
No, honey.
It's good?
That is beautiful.
Okay.
This is definitely like a New Year's going out, like, what's poppin'?
we're going on to primer before foundation. I'm using the Fenty Soft Matte Primer before going on to the next step.
Way too excited and added my, I don't know if you say Ole or Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer. I have his entire set. So what foundation are you using today? I'll go first. I'm using Nars new Caledonia.
So I'm using one of my favorite foundations. It is the Juvias Place Soft Matte Foundation in Kampala 340.
I just put like 4 squeezes. Now
a little goes a long way. I didn't even need this much. Oh gosh. Here we go. My concealer is Juvias Place too. I
don't know about y'all, but I go a little back here and under here.
You should.
Because I've taken pictures and I've been like, oh shit.
On my channel, that's what I teach people.
Good.
Good, good, good. So we're just gonna blend. I'm dabbing this in my face.
I personally like to use a brush before I go in with a beauty blender to just apply it and then soften it out.
Don't we look crazy?
We blended in and set everything, and now we're doing our contour and highlight routine on camera, but we're speeding through it just a little bit.
I'm so, yikes, I'm losing my goddamn brushes. Ooh,
It's cutting. That's fine.
yes, girl, of course. Blend.
And you put it on my chin because I got a little sack right here now.
Oh my god. Did you just grab it?
Yeah. So I'm going in with highlight from my Huda Beauty palette. This is how it looks. And I don't know which one to use. I don't really know.
I'm gonna highlight the corners of my eyes with my Artist Couture Conceited, and then I'm gonna go on my cheekbones here.
Because I don't know how it's about to look in this light. Oh, that's nice. I'm about to do it on myself. Oh, might as well do it too. With this one, since I did it on my eyes. Or a highlight, right? Mm-hmm. Listen, I don't like this shit.
No?
Yes, I just... Yeah.
Now you gave me tired.
Because I'm messing it up. I just don't like when I messed up.
Oh, did you see how I fucked up my eye?
Oh, I didn't. I'm doing it with a nude lip. I'm going in with my Nars lip liner. And where are you going in?
I'm going in with my Beauty Supply pencil that the name got sharpened off.
Fast forward to the end. Here are both of our finished glam looks, and I think we did amazing. Don't forget to let us know below what you think about our final looks.
And don't forget to check me out at beat.by.yanni on Instagram. And that will also include my YouTube channel. I'm trying to build a following as well and get more into videos. So thank you guys for your support. And thank you, Mel, for having me.
Oh, it was a pleasure.
Yes.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below to my channel. And thank you so much for watching.